We're going to do some installation on some EVANNEX Performance pedals on the Tesla Model 3. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace the stock pedals with the new performance pedals. Pretty simple install. On the back of them you'll see that there's some tabs. So you're just going to pull these up and off and slide them off. All right, I'm going to take that one off. Easiest, I've been doing from the corner, sliding the top. Pretty simple, and then run your hand around them, make sure all the edges are done. Check the corners, and there you go for your brake. So now that we have the brake performance pedal on, we're going to do the accelerator performance pedal. So on the back you'll see there's a little notch right here, and these open up. We're going to start with the right hand lower corner first. We're going to slide that corner in, and then this notch will just fall in, but you're going to wrap each of the sides all the way around. So we're going to start with this bottom right corner. Take the sides and pull them all the way around. Bottom left corner. You're gonna run your finger all the way up. Sides are done, top is done. And you're just gonna make sure it's all the way up. You're gonna push the bottom and make sure it's all the way up on there. And that's it. Accelerator, they're not removing anything. Brake, you're removing the brake pad on there.